Your plant looks fine, but one small winter mistake can silently kill it. Not today, not tomorrow, but slowly. Many people lose their houseplants in winter without knowing why. They repot, they move the plant, they prune it. They think they are helping, but winter is not forgiving. Before you touch your plant, watch this carefully. Winter is a sensitive time for most houseplants. Growth slows down, roots become weak, water stays longer in the soil. In winter, plants cannot recover fast. Any stress feels heavier. Any shock lasts longer. Less light, cooler temperatures, lower evaporation. This is why winter care is completely different from spring or summer care. Doing the right thing at the wrong time can still harm your plant. Repotting in winter is risky, very risky. If you repot just because the pot looks small, you may damage the roots. Cold soil and wet conditions can lead to root rot. Only repot in winter if it is absolutely necessary. Root rot, severe pest infestation, broken pot. If you must repot, use a slightly larger pot only. No fertilizer, minimal watering. Let the plant rest. Moving your plant in winter can shock it deeply. Sudden changes in light, temperature, or airflow stress the plant. Near heaters, cold windows at night, drafts from doors. Plants don't die from cold air. They die from sudden change. Choose one stable place. Soft light. No hot air. No cold wind. Stability matters more than perfection. Pruning in winter is misunderstood. Heavy pruning is a mistake. Shaping cuts are a mistake. Cutting healthy growth is a mistake. In winter, plants heal very slowly. Only remove yellow leaves, dry parts, diseased or rotting sections. Every cut is a wound. Winter is not the time to create new wounds. Save shaping and growth pruning for spring. If you want to keep your plants alive and healthy through winter, subscribe for more plant care lessons. Simple tips. No myths. No plant loss. Now tell me in the comments, have you ever repotted, moved, or pruned a plant in winter? Did it survive? Or did it struggle? Like this video to help more plants stay alive. Subscribe for weekly plant care tips. And share this with a friend who loves houseplants. May your plants rest well and grow strong again.